Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So class 10 chemistry, next chapter carbon and its compounds, important questions with answers including previous year's questions also. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends and stay tuned for more such videos. And all chapter wise important questions are series are going on. If you have missed out any video, go check out my channel. You will get all chapters videos, chemistry, physics and biology. So if you read this much, you can score 75 plus. So let's get started. So this is in April 2019 from this chapter. Multiple choice question 1 was asked. The functional group present in propanol and propanol represent respectively are option A. Then come to second question. What are structural isomers? Name the first member of alkanes that shows structural isomerism. So compounds with identical molecular formula but different structural formula are called the structural isomers. Example butane or C4H10. Next come to, these are all the questions which are asked in April 2019 paper. So next question is, write the difference between saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Write the molecular formula and structural formula of alkene having 5 carbon atoms. So here difference between saturated and unsaturated carbons. Saturated carbons are single bond between carbon and carbon atoms. Here double and triple bond between the carbon atoms. Less reactive, more reactive. Generally gives clean blue flame burned with yellow sooty flame. Next, molecular formula of alkene having 5 carbon atoms, that means C5H10. So this is the structural formula. So our question was asked, carbon atoms does not form C4 anion and C4 plus cation. Why? So this is the answer. Next, in June 2029, what is a covalent bond? Chemical bond which is formed by the sharing of electrons between two atoms is known as a covalent bond. Name the first member of alkynes and write its molecular formula, that is ethyne or acetylene. Molecular formula is C2H2. Then general formula of two specific group of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons is CnH2n. Write the structural formula of member of each group when n is equal to 3. So here saturated hydrocarbon cyclopropane, that is C3H6. Here unsaturated hydrocarbon propene, C3H6 only, but it is propene. So that means in double bond will come, here single bond. So that is 2019 paper done. Now come to 2020 April. 2 multiple choice question was asked. Example for saturated hydrocarbon, that is C2H6. Then molecular formula of 3 carbon compounds which are homologous series are C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. So that formula is CnH2n plus 2. Because here carbon atoms, hydrogen carbons are increased by 2 number, that is 2n plus 2. Only 2 question was asked in April 2020. In September 2020, 2 multiple choice question and 1, what are structural isomers? Write 2 structure of butane molecules. This one, so this is already asked. That is important, very important question this is. Next come to July 2021. So MCQ question 3 MCQ question, that means 3 marks. So the structure formula of propanol, the propanol structural formula is C. Then number of single bond and double bond present in structure of benzene molecules, that is 993. Then common molecular formula both hexane and cyclohexane is C6H12. In September 2021 MCQ question 4 MCQ question, that means 4 mark question. The pair of carbon compound having same molecular formula is hexane and cyclohexane. Then the structure formula is given. The functional group present in this carbon is aldehyde. Then a group of carbon compound that are homologous series. C. The saturated hydrocarbon among the following is C5H12. Write the structural formula of ethene molecule. Then what is structural isomer? C. Again they are asking this question. Then what is catenation, and write the general formula of alkenes. This is the answer. Next, come to June 2022, multiple choice question 1. Number of single bond found in molecular structure of propanol, that is 8. Write the difference between saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Again they are asking. Next, write the structure formula of benzene and butane. So very important question, that is in April 2029, general formula of cycloalkane is CnH2n and its first number of cyclopropane is C3H3. Write the molecular formula and structure formula of the fourth member of this homologous. So fourth member is C6H12. This is the structural formula. Next one, what is hydrogenation? Next, how will ethanol be oxidized? Explain the cleaning action of soap. So next, in June 2020, why are detergents more suitable for cleaning clothes in hard water? Detergents do not form soluble participates in calcium and magnesium ions present in the hard water. So next, again they are asking, in a homologous series, the first member of hydrocarbon is C4H4. Then define its molecular formula of the fourth member. Fourth member will be C4H10. So see this carbon atoms here in question. Carbon atom is 1. That means if the fourth term means C becomes 4, then it is 2n plus 2 formula, that is H10. This is the structural formula. Next, identify the unsaturated hydrocarbons of the following carbon atoms and write the structural formula. H6 is the unsaturated hydrocarbon. C2H2 is the saturated structural formula of this. Write the difference between esterification and saponification. Next, write the electrons dot structure of the oxygen molecule. These are all the asked question in June 2023. Very important chapter. Next, carbon atom does not form C4 minus ion and C4 cations. Why? This is already asked in 2019. Again they are asking. Now come to very important part of this video, mostly likely questions for 2024, including previous year's question also. So first one will be write the molecular formula and the electron dot structure of cyclopentane. So this is the molecular formula and electron dot structure. Why do we found large number of carbon compounds in nature? So this is the answer. How many structural isomers can you draw for pentane? Write the structural formula. So this one, N-pentane, isopentane, then neopentane. Ethanol have 2 carbon atoms and hexanol have 6 carbon atoms. Both have same chemical property. Give reason. Write the structural formula for the following: ethanoic acid, bromopentane, butanol and hexanol. Next one, on the basis of molecular formula and molecular mass, prove that propane and butane are in this homologous series. Next, write the structural formula of the following. Again, structural formula, anyone they can give. So I am giving just example. Write the electron dot structure of the following. Electron dot structure for methane, ethane, ethene and ethine. Name the members belongs to alcohol, aldehydes and ketone having 3 carbon atoms and write their structural formula. Next, write the molecular and structural formula of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon in which 6 carbon atoms arrange in the form of a ring. So this is the molecular formula and structural formula for saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons which are having carbon atoms 6. Write 3 important uses of ethanol, where we use ethanol. Then a hydrocarbon molecules contain 4 hydrogen atoms. Write its molecular and structure formula if it is alkane, alkene and alkyne. Next, give a chemical test to distinguish between ethanol and ethanoic acid, soaps and detergents. So including answers I am giving, copy down the answers. Then a compound X on combustion gives a yellow flame with a lot of smoke. What interference would you draw for this statement? Not much oxygen was provided, hence it is an incomplete combustion. State the role of alkaline. For this, it acts as an oxidizing agent. So this is the chapter of carbon and its compound, very important chapter. Practice all these questions including previous year questions and likely to be coming in 2024 questions, all chapter. Practice this one, so you can score. If you practice all my chapter wise questions, important questions, biology, physics and chemistry, you can score 75 plus. Stay tuned for next chapter, periodic classification of elements. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.